Channel today too. I'm going to take you through how to win bet using this Sofascore app that I'm always talking about. So you follow the strategies, the tips step by step. The way I'm showing you, make sure you don't skip any part of the video so that you are going to get how to use this Sofascore app to win bets. By the end of this video, you know every techniques and strategies that you can use to win bets. Let's go. I'm picking this England, this Premier League teams. So I'm here is FA Cup. Let me vote for Crystal Palace. You can vote for anyone, both teams to score. And who will win? I don't know. So let's go. Lineup. You check lineup if you have your favorite, or maybe their key player and the key player is not playing. Maybe it can go against them because that player is injured or is not playing. So you check injuries, players that are on injuries, then you go to matches. So here is the main plays that you can play. We will be using to predict the games matches. So on the matches, you check their previous matches they played previously. So here you can see Crystal Palace win 2-0 against Fulham, and Fulham to also win 2-0 against Crystal Palace. So to me, and Sofascore is not indicating anything. What you can do is head-to-head. Let's check head-to-head strikes. Head-to-head strikes is that you can go for less than 2.5 goals or less than 4.5 cash, guys. So pick one of these or select one of these to add to your bet. So that's how we do it, guys. That's not all. If you skip or you scroll, if you don't watch the video to the end, you won't get what I'm telling you. So quick, you go to matches, you check matches. They always play over 2.5. Let's go to head-to-head. So head-to-head is more than 2 goals, 4 is 4 out of 5, less than 10.5 corners is 7 out of 7. So I prefer going for less than 10.5 corners. 10.5 corners, that is what I'm advising you to go for. So let's go to Hull City and Luton Town. These two teams, you all know Luton Town is not performing well, as well as the Hull City. So let's look at their head-to-head strikes. I do loses to Hull City, but I want to fight like something like less than 4.5 cash. That's 7 out of 7. So that's the best of more than 10.5. It's 5 out of 5. So it's also fire hot. So you can pick Plymouth and Watford. Plymouth, Watford, and Watford. You can check the standing to see Plymouth is last on the table, whilst Watford is 10th. Some of them. So you can see they play Team 2, England Championship, and something like that. So let's go to here, head-to-head. Today I'm talking about head-to-head. So they are head-to-head strikes. No loses Watford, without finishing and less than 4.5 corners. So I prefer going for less than 4.5 cash. Both teams less than 4.5 cash. Anyone you can go. You can choose to go for. You have Burnley. So this will be the last one. Go for Burnley. Burnley head-to-head strikes. We have first to score and less than 4.5 cash. It's 9 out of 10. So you can choose less than 4.5 cash. That's 9 out of 10. Thank you, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I'll be learning and improving myself, and also show you how to make bet exactly like I do. Okay, guys, strike less than 2.5 goals. Less than 2.5 goals. Rayo Vallecano, Alaves, Real Madrid in the end. Let's go fast. What's